Hi guys, here in Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota FJ Cruiser 26 to 2019 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. It comes with special harness This is steering wheel controls. And this power and the speaker, and this steering wheel controls. Okay, let me show head unit. You can check this front UI interface. This 9-inch built-in microphone and reset hole, the volume button. All apps are here, and this home button, power button, volume button. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose the logo. Toyota. When you back home, it change the logo. And theme editor. You can adjust any color, red, blue, and green. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose the red. Okay, change the Belsee logo. All apps are here. You can check it built-in APK installer. Install app from OEM. And built-in Google Maps, built-in Play Store, YouTube. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. It Wi-Fi built-in or the Wi-Fi, and hotspot from your phone. You check button motion. You can check PX6 Android 10 system. Okay. And the storage, you can check total 64 GB. And the other setting, car settings element, you can choose the green with button color, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose the red. Steering wheel control keys. And extra settings. This shutdown delay when AC off. It's fast boot. Fast boot, you can choose the time. Okay. Long press, you can choose the app like Bluetooth. Let me check the Bluetooth. We can delete. This pin number, device name. Okay. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth. Click search button. click pair button, your phone will get message. Okay, put the 40. Okay, connected. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call. You can stream music from your phone. A2DP. Okay, it works with Bluetooth phone. This is streaming music A2TV. Okay, let me back the home. Let me check the music. Music from USB 1. Random. This amplifier. EQ amplifier. Okay. Let me check the video. Full screen. It supports play 4K video. Okay. This is Z-Link for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This Z-Link app. This device supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. Okay, that's all. You can choose this time, logo, music. You can glow it. Music. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit belsee.com, belse.com. Contact to us. Okay, thank you.